Okay. Is my screen visible? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class, in the previous class, okay. So we completed these two units. Okay. Your second unit that contains mainly about the black box and white box testing techniques. So we have covered both white box and black box testing techniques, and we'll discuss with some assignments in a tutorial section. Okay, so today the unit 3, that is the levels of testing. Levels of testing. So here we'll discuss all the different levels. Okay, starting from the functional testing and non-functional testing, unit testing. Okay, then module testing, integration testing, big bang, sandwich, and all. Okay, so these even and after that system testing. Okay, so these two chapters, so this is all about we'll study different levels of testing. Okay, these are all different levels of testing. There are hundreds, 200, more than 100 different testing methods are there. Okay, so okay, so to improve the quality of the software product, we go for the different levels of software testing. Okay, so normally what happens? Suppose the initially we do some verification, validation. Okay, verification and validation. That is also a testing method. Okay, this is also one of the level of testing. Then we go for unit testing. Okay, testing of a particular individual module. Then integration testing. Okay, integration testing. Then system testing. Okay, system testing. Then after means system testing means it is a final complete application testing. Okay, so system testing, and after that acceptance testing. In acceptance testing again there are different techniques are there, means types, alpha testing, beta testing, and all. Okay, so along with that again like big bang testing, sandwich testing, smoke testing. Okay, there are various different levels of testings are there. Okay, so that all we cover, and also the performance based testing, performance performance based testing. Okay, performance based testing. So we'll cover all these different testing methods, different levels. Okay, the main thing here is that to improve the quality of the product, we need to apply all these testing levels. Okay, one by one. As see, like to for the BE graduate, for the BE graduate student. Okay, what he does, he first he has to get into the seat into the BE engineering. Okay, he has to go through the CET that is 12th CET or JE examination. Okay, then only you get the admission to the BE course. This is one of the testing technique. So once he get into the course, there will be a semester examinations. Okay, so he need to pass in this particular semester examination. So that is a different levels, SEM 1, SEM 2. Okay, after clearing the SEM 1, he will go to SEM 2, then SEM 3. These are the different levels. Okay, sixth semester. Then okay, along with these techniques, then again there are, like, for example, after the B. So after the B, what is there to get a job? So your all B semester means it is a system testing. It is a system testing. Okay, ये जो है ना, that is called as system testing. All semester, 8 semester. So 8 semester we can call it as, generally I am giving some general examples. It is like a system testing. It is one level of testing. System testing. Okay. So once the system testing is covered, like to get into the job, okay, as your placement recruitment test, placement recruitment test, like we can call it as acceptance testing, whether the candidate is suitable to work in the industry. Acceptance testing, alpha testing, beta testing, gamma testing. There are different levels of testings are there. Okay. So in similar to that, to improve the quality, here how we get the quality candidates? Once he cover all these system testing, unit testing, okay, and the acceptance testing. Once he clear with all the placement recruitment test, we can say he is qualified for the job, okay, or eligible, qualified for the, or fit for the particular the job. Okay, that's why they means you are passed through different levels of the test. Okay, so in the same way, I mean, that is your final candidate. The final selection means he is final selection. Final selection for that particular role, that indicates this product is, it is suitable to work. Okay, the final. Again, there is a continuous testing will be there afterwards, like to gain the, like to explore the new technologies and all in the training period. Okay, so that is there in the next level. So similar to that, in software testing also there are various levels are there. Okay, there are different levels during the process of software testing. Okay, so there are different levels are there, and these levels are includes the different methodologies that can be used while conducting the software testing. Okay, so the main levels of software testings are functional testing and non-functional testing. Functional testing and non-functional testing. So functional testing type of the black box testing, that is based on the specification of the software, the features. Okay, it is based upon the specifications or the features of a software that is to be tested. So the application is tested by providing the input, and then the results are examined that need to conform to the functionality that is intended for. Okay, the main functionality of the software. So the functional testing of a software is conducted on a complete integrated system to evaluate the system's compliance with the specified requirements. So there are some steps involved in the functional testing, like the determination of the functionality that is intended application is meant to perform. Okay. So like the functionality of the software. For example, in the banking software, in a banking software, what are the functionalities? What are the functionality of the banking application? Like for example, nowadays means we give preference. The first is mobile banking. Mobile banking. First we give the priority to mobile banking. Okay, their features and all, the login through the mobile. Hmm? Okay, so the access, the transaction and all we through the mobile banking app. Okay, so means at the present day we all prefer. So likewise, the creation of test data based upon the specification. Okay, test cases, the test data for the based upon the application, the features, then output based upon the test data. Okay, as you know, input data, output data, that is based upon the features. Okay, test cases, writing the test scenario, then comparison of actual and expected result based upon the executed test cases. Means if there is a match in the actual output and expected output, then there is a, we can say that test case is pass. Test case is pass. Okay, if there is a match, if there is a mismatch between the actual and expected result, then we can say the test case is fail. Test case is fail if there is a mismatch. So we need to write the test cases based upon the input, output. So that is the what we do in the functionality testing. Okay, next we'll go for the different levels. So here the first level is unit testing that checks if the software component are fulfilling the functionality or not. The individual unit. Okay, unit testing means the particular individual software component whether it is fulfilling the functionality or not. For example, if we consider your semester 1 examination, semester 1 means you are like we can consider your internal test and all. Okay, ISC, okay, IC or any recruitment test. So that you are appearing. Okay, individual unit. So integration testing check the data flow from one module to another modules. Like integration technique, we can consider like in a group or teamwork, as in your project and all. Okay, integration testing, the integration among the team members. Okay, or integration between the modules. So that is how the data flow from one module to another module. That is the integration testing. Then system testing comes, evaluates both the functional and non-functional needs for the testing. It mainly test both functional features and non-functional testing also. Then acceptance testing that check the requirement of the specification or the contract are met as per the its delivery. So here just I will explain. So here it is a unit module or module 1. We can say it is a module 1, individual modules. Okay, module 2, module 3. Okay, so these are all unit 1, unit 2, then unit 3, unit based testing. Okay, it is a unit testing. We are checking, for example, it is a login functionality applicable module, login, and it is like a payment transfer module, and it is balance balance module. Okay. So this particular login functionality, payment transfer module and balance module. Okay. So we need to test. So in this particular unit testing, what are the functionality? Login functional means like by providing the username and password. Okay, by using the username and password, we are testing whether by using this username and password, if it is login successful. Okay, submit. Okay, if it is a login, whether means we are checking whether the particular module is working properly or not. Means once it is correct, the username and password, if it is correct, then login should be okay, success. If there is a mismatch, a wrong username or wrong password, it should give a error message. That we are testing this particular module 1. Then in the similar case, in the module 2, so payment transfer. Payment transfer means from your current account to beneficiary account. Okay. Suppose your account. Okay. Your account. Suppose there is some 10,000 balance. Then you are transferring to some beneficiary account number. Okay. Here payment transfer means it will like account number, not amount is also there, but with respect to the account number. Okay. Then balance. Okay, balance means after the transaction. Okay, so suppose if there is a 10,000 rupees some balance is there, and once we transfer 1,000 rupees, so what is the remaining balance? The remaining balance should be 9,000. It should update. So likewise, this is a unit. Okay, this is complete one unit. Okay. Okay, so whatever this is the one unit. Okay, so this is the second unit, and it is third unit. Okay, now in the integration testing, what we do in integration testing, we will integrate means in the data flow between the modules. Okay, in integration testing, we will check the integration testing. We will check here the previous there was no connection. Now we need to data flow check between one module to another module. Okay. In the unit we only tested the features of functionality of a particular module. In integration we need to integrate. Okay. The data flow between the module 1, module 2, module 3. There should be a data dependency here. The means data transfer, communication. Then system testing means the the complete system. Okay. Even it consists of both functional testing and non-functional testing. Functional and non-functional testing. Okay, non-functional testing we do in the system testing. Okay. Okay, so these are the different levels. So let me know what are the other type of testings are there? What are the other types of testing along with these unit testing, integration testing, system testing, acceptance testing? Anyone? Along with these type of testing, performance testing. Okay. So performance testing, load testing, volume testing. Okay. So that is a non-functional non-functional testing, and even in each there is a different type of testing like unit testing, integration testing. Again, there are different types are there like big bang testing that comes under the integration testing. Okay. And top to bottom testing and bottom to up testing. Okay. uh, Top to bottom and bottom to up. Then GUI testing, graphical user interface, compatibility testing, how the your application it is how it is compatible with the other like software or hardware resource, security testing. Okay, then performance testing, volume testing, stress testing, load testing, installation testing, regression testing, smoke testing, sanity testing, ad hoc testing, usability testing. Okay, and acceptance testing, alpha, beta, gamma testing. Means these are the different levels or the different types. Okay, see here they are categorized. The system testing means it is a final. Final means it consists of both functional and non-functional testing. Okay, it consists of both the functional and non-functional testing. Functional and non-functional testing. Okay, so we'll cover all these thing in this particular chapter. Okay, and it is very important as no need to mug up because even it is required for your in the interview point also it is very important for interview point of view also it is very important. Okay, system testing, it consists of both functional and non-functional testing. Functional and non-functional testing. Non-functional testing. Okay, so here like there are some terms are there like performance testing, volume testing, stress testing, load testing. Sometimes we think like these are all the same, the load testing, stress testing, volume testing. Okay, but they have their own functionality. Okay, that we will discuss. Okay, so as we discussed unit testing, that test the individual component, testing the individual component, then integration testing, test the integrated component. Okay, test the integrated component, and system testing means test the complete entire system. Okay, complete system. That just now in your syllabus it is mentioned both functional and non-functional testing. Okay, system all rounder we can say. Okay, we are testing with all the functionality, functional and non-functional testing. Acceptance testing, that is there are different levels of testings are there in the type also, alpha testing, beta testing, gamma testing. Okay, and it is with respect to like testing at the client side, testing at this alpha testing is at testing the software application at the testing a software application at the client side, testing the application at the developer side. Okay, so Ravi, any question? Okay, yes, Surabhi.
Sir, there is a problem in IRC check for Ninja, sir. Yesterday I was giving that IRC check. The cognitive, that is the active part, is opening, but for IT programming, it is showing that you are not the part of this event.
Wait, 1 minute. 2 minutes, huh? I will discuss about that. Okay. Okay. This is all about the different level of testing and yeah. Yes, Madhuri.
Sir, वो IRC checking sir, I did yesterday IRC checking of a Ninja.
Yes.
So that aptitude part is opening, sir. Like we are able to give aptitude test for 2 hours tendency, but for IT programming module,
Hmm.
I am getting the error that the you are not a part of this event.
That you are talking about Ninja, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. But your login and all, it was successful, no?
Yes, sir. Login is successful and aptitude test is also like successfully done. But for IT programming only, I am getting that error.
Okay. So how you? But for Ninja, it is a free, no? There is no need to like in NQT as you are paid that complete bundle pack or a separate module was there, cognitive and programming part, right? In NQT.
Yes, sir.
But in Ninja, it is a free of cost, and if you register for the Ninja completely, then you can access all the modules. It may be it is a means they are doing some testing, so there may be some error. It is for everyone or only for you that kind of error?
Sir, same problem with me also, sir. IT programming part is not opening, sir,
Hmm.
and app is completed, sir.
What type of error it was? You are not a part of this module.
It's login, and then after, as Madhuri said, sir.
Okay, means after completing the aptitude, next you will go to the programming module. That is coding,
Yes,
right?
yes, sir. I think maybe, sir, they only checking software. That's
No,
why.
IRCT is only for the testing, like a demo. Means as most of the students know, they are attending from the home, so they are testing their module. And is anyone attempted successfully that coding one?
Yes, sir. I have done it successfully.
Uh,
So initially in the morning it was showing the same thing, but when I did it in the evening, then it was working.
no, that's why that they are testing. That is like performance testing. Okay, means they are like improving their software because it is I think third time they are conducting from the work from home, means that the test, okay, from the remote location. Previously it was there at their TCS digital ion centers, so that time like there was no problem, but now most of the students, and I think 90% they are giving the test from the remote location from their home. So they are maybe it is they will consider what you do, माधुरी and दिव्या, आप क्या करो, आप मेल करो उनको, like you faced some problem, so that they note and they will work on such problems. It is good thing that you intimate like to help desk. Okay, वहाँ है ना मेल आईडी आयर इसका IRC का?
Yes, sir. Link है like
हाँ
timing is given 9:30 to 5:30.
हाँ, तो means within that particular time only you need to send the mail, huh?
Yes, sir, it is live chat window only. Within
Hmm.
9:30 to 5:30, consultants are available.
Okay, and means you can send the mail, no, at any time.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So what you do, you can just send a mail, because sometimes what happens, no, while doing the registration, it will ask two options. No, one is for that IT role, and one is that customer care, that business process. No, in the registration process.
Yes, sir. There are two choices.
Yeah, IT and that business process. So BPO option. So you just maybe it is maybe some technical problem is there. So you can just mail to the IRC, that help desk. Like you are completed your aptitude test successfully, but you faced a problem. Hmm. So no.
Sir, one more question.
Hmm.
Tomorrow is exam is there of career net consulting or not, sir?
Have you received any mail?
Not yet, sir.
Okay, but
They said 1 September at 5 p.m., sir. Uh,
okay. See, if there is a test and all, it will through online only. So you may if you get if you receive any mail, so you try to attempt it. Okay. I think
okay.
it is maybe for the internship maybe. Have you checked that?
Not, sir.
It may be, but you try to attempt till you get some offer. No, you try to attempt all the different type of test and recruitment patterns. And Rushabh not received TCS Ninja mail. See, in the Ninja platform, you need to check that status. I think one option is there, no? Track the application. Yes, Madhuri?
Yes, sir, it is there. I've checked, sir. Yeah, like day
हाँ
before yesterday, I'd sent the screenshot.
हाँ सो ऋषभ आप क्या करो वो आपका स्टेटस चेक करो इफ इट इज अप्लाइड फॉर द ड्राइव ऐसा स्टेटस रहा तो कुछ
सर
प्रॉब्लम नहीं हाँ
केलं चेक सर.
हाँ तो है ना
हाँ आहे सर.
हाँ देन नो प्रॉब्लम और आप
ओके.
स्पैम वगैरह भी चेक करो
हाँ
स्पैम वगैरह चेक करो इवन दो आपको अभी आपके फ्रेंड्स को आया है बट आपको आया नहीं ऐसे रहा तो आप हेल्प डेस्क को एक प्रॉपरली मेल लिखो कि आपका वो सिटी रेफरेंस आईडी वगैरह सब मेंशन करके ना लाइक वो आपका स्टेटस मेंशन करो लाइक इन द स्टेटस इट इज शोइंग दैट applied for the drive and all it is successful but I am not received the confirmation mail please let me know एक ऐसा मेल लिखो एंड कैसा है ये जो भी ड्राइव होते हैं लाइक इन्फोसिस विप्रो कॉग्निजेंट एक्सेंचर आपको है अभी फ्यूचर में अभी मीन्स नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर वगैरह एक्सेंचर वगैरह स्टार्ट होता है जो भी प्रॉब्लम आता है फर्स्ट आप जो भी अप्लाई करते हो हेल्प डेस्क का आप एक ये करो हेल्प डेस्क का जो मेल है ना वो आप नोट करके रखो कभी भी इन्फोसिस का इन्फीटीक्यू का अलग रहता था और ये प्लेसमेंट का अलग है लाइक इन कैंपस का अलग रहता है वैसे टीसीएस एनक्यूटी का हेल्प डेस्क अलग है निंजा का अलग है विप्रो का अलग है जो भी प्रॉब्लम है वो आप क्या करना पड़ेगा इमीडिएटली उनको कम्युनिकेट करना पड़ेगा कैसा एक नोट रहता है उनके पास आपने कम्युनिकेट किया बोल के कुछ आपका हार्डवेयर प्रॉब्लम आया okay before informing to the TPO if you communicate to the help desk that is a genuine reason अभी कैसा ऑनलाइन में कुछ टेक्निकल इंटरनेट के वजह से भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं हार्डवेयर प्रॉब्लम्स के जेन्युइन प्रॉब्लम रहा सपोज उनके तरफ भी प्रॉब्लम रहता है समटाइम्स सर्वर प्रॉब्लम वगैरह अभी ये अभी कोडिंग सेक्शन नहीं दिख रहा है बोल रहे थे अभी माधुरी एंड ऑल तो ये प्रॉब्लम ना लाइक अभी मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स वो एट ए टाइम लॉग इन किया तो तब कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है उनके तरफ प्रॉब्लम रहेगा नहीं तो अभी माधुरी के कुछ सिस्टम पे ऐसे कुछ कंटेंट्स ब्लॉक रहेंगे कुछ सेटिंग का प्रॉब्लम ऐसा कुछ तो रहा तो भी होता है एक बार अभी आई थिंक विश्वनाथ लोंडे है क्या
यस सर
हाँ विश्वनाथ लोंडे आई थिंक आपने एक बार मुझे फोन किया था कि मुझे कैमरा कुछ तो एनेबल नहीं हो रहा है बोल के है ना
यस सर यस
वो क्या आपके लैपटॉप में ठीक हुआ क्या कैसे चेंज किया आपने लैपटॉप इमीडिएट
नहीं सर वो ठीक हो गया थोड़ा कुकीज वगैरह क्लियर करके थोड़ा
हाँ।
एक बार रीस्टार्ट किया हो गया
हाँ तो ये कैसा आपका प्रॉब्लम था बट अभी दो कल आई थिंक यस्टरडे अनिकेत अनिकेत है क्या अनिकेत और अभिजीत जोशी आई थिंक उन्होंने इन्फोसिस का आपने टेस्ट दिया था ना तो कुछ वो लाइक उनके तरफ प्रॉब्लम था ना
परसिस्टेंट का सर
हाँ सॉरी परसिस्टेंट का लाइक
सबकी तरफ से ही था।
हाँ तो ऐसे भी प्रॉब्लम्स रहते हैं उनके तरफ भी प्रॉब्लम रहता है और हाँ तो आप थोड़ा ट्राई करना चाहिए आपके तरफ कुछ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं हुआ, then immediately you have to communicate to the particular help desk. Okay, so
सर वो जो निंजा का था ना, मतलब मैंने एक बार वापस रिटर्न ओपन किया ना वो, तो मतलब ऐसे मैसेज आ रहा था, थैंक यू योर कंप्लीटेड ऑलरेडी दिस एक्टिविटी। तो फिर वापस करना चाहिए या नहीं?
नहीं अभी एक बार कंप्लीट हुआ तो नो ओके। और आईआरसी कैसे कंपलसरी नहीं है, वहाँ कुछ मेंशन किया क्या उन्होंने कंपलसरी है बोल के?
नहीं, उन्होंने बोला है कि एक बार आपको कंपलसरी एक बार आईआरसी चेक करना ही पड़ेगा, तब आप एग्जाम दे सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ तो कंडीशन है सर उनका।
हाँ नहीं, फिर ऐसा रहा तो मीन्स लाइक उनका आपका सिस्टम कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करने के लिए
हाँ,
मीन्स
आई
आपका
थिंक सर।
and in the during the test time also you try to use the same device, means जो डिवाइस टेस्ट हुआ है लाइक, बट अल्टरनेटिव वो टाइम पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ तो आप दूसरा यूज कर सकते हो, बट वो सिस्टम कॉन्फ़िगरेशन वो उतना तो मिनिमम रहना चाहिए। और ऐसा कुछ वही अभी ऐसे कुछ मेल वगैरह आपको और थोड़ा कंफर्मेशन चाहिए ऐसे भी ऋषभ को जो है, तो बेटर आप एक बार मेल, वहां तो अभी स्टेटस दिख रहा है सक्सेसफुली, बट फिर भी एक बार मेल करके रखो। कैसा
हाँ सर।
टीसीएस इट इज पैन इंडिया लेवल, वो जब रिक्रूटमेंट सब होने के बाद दे विल कम्युनिकेट टू द कॉलेज लाइक दीज आर द फाइनल स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे बोल के कंफर्म फ्रॉम योर साइड। तो इसके लिए आपको ये सब ना जो भी क्वेरीज है बेटर हो ये हेल्प डेस्क के थ्रू ही, उनका टीम बड़ा है टेक सपोर्ट का, तो डेफिनेटली दे विल हेल्प। और इन्फोसिस का ये जो कुछ कैंपस थ्रू आते हैं ना, वो एचआर के थ्रू सॉल्व हो जाता है, परसिस्टेंट का इन्फोसिस का वगैरह ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम आया तो, बस कुछ कंपनीज का ना लाइक एक्सेंचर का, कॉग्निजेंट का, विप्रो का, ये ना नॉर्मली, और टीसीएस का ये ना हेल्प डेस्क के थ्रू ही सॉल्व होता है 99%। वंस वो सिलेक्शन होने के बाद वो लिस्ट सेंड करते कॉलेज को कि जस्ट कंफर्म दीज आर द स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर बैच एंड ऑल। ओके, and I think Wipro and all you are started no registration, and इसका कोई डेट आया क्या फाइनल टीसीएस निंजा का? एंड या और एक बोलना था लाइक टीसीएस एनक्यूटी का, एक बेनिफिट है लाइक द स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम 2021 बैच, आपके जो अभी जस्ट पास आउट हो गए 2021 बैच के ऑलमोस्ट एक हम अभी आईटी में एक 5 to 6 स्टूडेंट्स को ऑफर मिला रिसेंटली लास्ट वीक, बट उन्होंने एग्जाम कब लिखा था? जनवरी में और लास्ट अक्टूबर में लिखा था एनक्यूटी। ओके, लास्ट अक्टूबर और फरवरी से वो दो टाइम पे लिखे थे ना उनको, ये अगस्त मंथ में उनका सर्वे मेल वगैरह आके इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस हुआ। Okay, and in that around 5 to 6 from the IT selected, and even from the CAC also around 7 to 8 members from ENTC. तो क्या होता है if there is a requirement no, आप सपोज आपके पास अभी स्कोर कार्ड है, सपोज मीत का आई थिंक स्कोर कार्ड है, तो उसको कभी भी आ सकता है ये इंटरव्यू का मेल। ओके, तो उनके पास ऐसे रिकॉर्ड रहता है, दीज आर द सम द कैंडिडेट्स हु qualified the TCS NQT. So I think most of the people you are applied for the TCS NQT also. Yes, माधुरी, I think आपने अप्लाई किया था ना माधुरी यमूल?
Yes, sir. For both, I have applied
हाँ
Ninja as well as
हाँ,
Inkit.
actually it will be helpful means वहाँ सपोज आपने निंजा थ्रू प्लेसमेंट हो गए तो दे हैव मींस उनके रिकॉर्ड में रहता है, सपोज इफ यू आर नॉट प्लेस्ड थ्रू देन दे विल चेक द एनक्यूटी स्कोर आल्सो। बट अभी हुआ है लाइक सोनी अर्कल बोल के है, उसको एक ऑफर आया है रिसेंट लास्ट वीक, और स्नेहा वीरबत्नी और मोनिका तिवारी, शीतल जैन, ओके, एंड प्रांशु जैन और मनीषा पेंटी, ओके, इवन 7 members। तो इनको ना लास्ट वीक में ऑफर आया और इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस वगैरह अगस्त मंथ में हुआ है और उन्होंने टेस्ट दिया था लास्ट फरवरी मंथ, दिस ईयर फरवरी मंथ में दिया था और अक्टूबर में दिया था, अक्टूबर मंथ। सो आप टेस्ट देते हो ना, वो बेनिफिट होता ही है बिकॉज इट इज ए नेशनल क्वालिफाइड टेस्ट सिमिलर टू द गेट टेस्ट। तो ऐसा मत सोचो कि आपने दिया और स्कोर कार्ड आया और उसका कुछ यूज नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। जब रिक्वायरमेंट होता है डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट ए इंटरव्यू कॉल एंड इट वाज वेरी इजी। ओके, और ये जो लोगों का ना कहीं भी नहीं हुआ था जॉब, ये जो है ना मनीषा पेंटी और हाँ कुछ लोगों का हुआ था आटोस और एक्सेंचर में वगैरह, पर कुछ लोगों का प्रांशु जैन वगैरह उनको अभी डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन चल रहा है, कुछ लोगों का कहीं भी नहीं हुआ था। बट लास्ट में इसमें टीसीएस एनक्यूटी के थ्रू उनको जो ऑफर मिला, तो you should be continue with your practice. Okay, any other question? And also और एक है आपका जो ये इन्फोसिस का जो रिक्रूटमेंट है सिस्टम इंजीनियर रोल का, it is a golden chance for the students who are good in the communication skill, okay, but not good in the coding part. There are some students are there like उनको कोडिंग में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं रहता, मीन्स दे कैन मैनेज बेसिक लेवल, ओके कुछ बेसिक लेवल, बट उनको प्रोग्रामिंग में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट मीन्स इतना ये नहीं रहता है, ओके मीडियम लेवल और हाई लेवल। फॉर दोज कैंडिडेट्स इट इज अ गोल्डन चांस द सिस्टम इंजीनियर रोल एज वर्बल इज देयर, वर्बल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग, उसके बाद simple pseudocode questions and puzzle. Okay, pseudocode you can do easily. There are just you need to analyze the step by step. और ये बेनिफिट किसके लिए है, जिनको हैंड्स ऑन कोडिंग में लाइक उनको इतना ये नहीं है, एक्सपर्ट नहीं है। Okay, if someone is not good or not expert in that particular case, you don't miss this opportunity. Okay, और इसमें भी ना इवन सपोज इफ यू वांट टू चूज करियर एज ए ट्रेनर एंड ऑल सॉफ्ट स्किल का, अगर आपको सपोज ऐसे इंटरेस्ट रहा, आई थिंक आपने प्राची, आई थिंक एक एचआर का आपने ट्रेनर, सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनर का आपने एक वर्कशॉप अटेंड किया था, आई थिंक माधुरी में भी रिमेम्बर दैट, प्राची, आई थिंक प्राची अवस्थी, आई थिंक, यस माधुरी आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir, it is Prachi Austin.
हाँ, तो सो सी इज फ्रॉम द कानपुर, उनका ना लास्ट ईयर बैच को ना एक सेशन रखा था, अजहर खैरीदी बोल के आपके सीनियर है, इज आल्सो इन द इन्फोसिस, अजहर खैरीदी, वो सोलापुर का है अजहर खैरीदी, तो उनके थ्रू उनका एक सेशन अरेंज करवाया था सॉफ्ट स्किल का, मीन्स दे आर ट्रेनर, सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनर वहाँ। तो इफ यू आर गुड इन द मीन्स आपको ऐसा भी है अपॉर्चुनिटी इन द कंपनी like soft skill trainer or behavioral skill trainer. Okay, so it is depend upon your performance. So don't lose this option because अभी कैसा 5 lakh and 8 lakh का थोड़ा difficult था, that coding and all, it was completely about the coding, but there are some opportunities also there without coding also, that is your this system engineer role, so you can get a chance in this particular Infosys. Okay, if you don't have any questions, so we'll end this. Okay, you can leave.